Hi, hello, namaskar. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So today we are going to learn what is a journal in accounting. So I have written here meaning. A journal is a book of original intent in which all business transactions are recorded for the first time in a chronological order. So जर्नल क्या होता है? जर्नल एक बुक है, वहां पे जितने भी बिजनेस में ट्रांजेक्शन होते हैं, ट्रांजेक्शन इज नथिंग बट द बिजनेस एक्टिविटी वेयर मनी इज इन्वॉल्व. ओके, so that transactions are recorded in a chronological order or the date wise. Okay, so getting the permanent record or systematically record, we have to record all the transaction in a such a book. That book is called as a journal. Okay, where we get the record of the transactions. So yeah, I have also written why do we use a journal. So that is the reason behind that why we make the journal, why we record all the transactions in the book. That is, first one is it records transactions systematically. We cannot remember the transactions which is happened in the business on the daily basis. Okay, suppose today there are 100 transactions happen in your business. We cannot remember each and every transactions, so that we have to record it. So wherever we record in a particular book, that book is called as a journal. Okay. So for getting the systematic record, we have to follow the journal. Next one is provides a permanent record. When we record it into the book, definitely it gives you the permanent record. Third one, it reduces the error for while recording or while remembering the transaction. Maybe sometimes we make mistakes. So for reducing that, we have to follow the journal. And last one, it helps in preparing the ledger account. After journal, we have to make the ledger account. What is that? So we are going to see in the next video what is a ledger. In today's video, I will give you the very short meaning of that. What is a ledger? In ledger, we classified all the transactions. We classified into the separate account. Here in the journal, we record all the transactions in a chronological order, where we never classified each and every account. That is, we are going to classify in the ledger account. That will be the next process. Okay. So in journal, where we don't see each and every account, here we have to just one work, that we have to record all the transaction one by one. Okay, we never classified each and every account in the journal. So here is the also I have written the format of a journal. So journal has a 5 column: date, particulars, ledger, folio, debit and credit. This format we have to follow while recording the transactions. Okay, here also I have written some example, that is 2 example, first one and second one. Just see the first one. Started business with rupees 50,000 to cash. So here 2 accounts are involved. What is that? Cash account and capital account. So according to modern rules, which is again I have covered in the last video, modern rules of accounting, where you can understand how to apply the modern rules. First of all, we have to identify transaction, then we have to identify the accounts. We just get 2 accounts. Okay, at least 2 accounts we get to each and every transactions. Okay, then according to that accounts, we have to follow the debit and credit rules, which will be according to the modern rules. Okay, so here cash account and capital account, 2 accounts are here, and cash account is asset and capital is a nothing but equity. Okay, asset is always having a debit balance and capital is always have a credit balance. Whenever assets get increased, we have to debit it, and whenever it get decreased, we have to credit it. Here cash is coming our business, our cash is increasing our business, so definitely it will be the debit. And capital have as always a credit balance. If it is get increased, we have to credit it. So our capital here is getting increased, so we have to credit it. So what will be the journal entry? Cash account debit to capital account. Here I have written this example in this format, so you have to follow this format for recording the journal. Next one is purchase furniture for rupees 10,000 in cash. Here 2 accounts are involved, that is a furniture account and cash account. Okay, furniture and cash both are the asset. One account is getting increased and next one is getting decreased. So the account which is getting increased, we have to debit it, and the one account which is getting decreased, we have to credit it. So what will be the journal entry? Furniture account debit to cash account. Furniture is getting increased, means furniture is coming our business. Our asset is getting increased, and cash we are paying for buying that furniture. So our cash is decreasing, so we have to credit it here. Okay. So these are the two examples. We are going to see more transactions, more examples in the next video. Just for the today's videos, we have given here two examples. We have learned here two examples. Okay. So what is the accounting flow? Here we can see transaction. First of all, transactions happen. Then we have to record it into the journal. Then we follow ledger, then trial balance and final account. Ledger, trial balance and final account we are going to see in the upcoming videos, where we will learn what is the ledger, trial balance and final account. अभी तक तो हमने ट्रांजैक्शंस क्या होता है, कैसे हमें रिकॉर्ड करना है, जर्नल क्या होता है, इसका सारा का मीनिंग हमने ऑलरेडी देखा है. अभी बाकी के जो वीडियोस आएंगे उसमें आपको क्लियर हो जाएगा कि लेजर क्या है, ट्रायल बैलेंस क्या है, फाइनल अकाउंट्स में. ओके. How to pass the journal entry? There are the three simple steps. Identify the accounts involved, apply the debit credit rules, accounting the modern rules, and pass a journal. These are the simple three steps by record. First of all, you have to identify these two accounts from the transactions. Okay. Then after you have to apply the debit credit rule according to the modern rule, which video I have already uploaded. You can see that and you will understand what is the modern rule. And then we have to record the journal entry. Okay. So this is the about the journal where we have to record all the transactions. I hope you have got now what is the journal. If you have any doubt, just write it down in the comment section, and we will see the more videos about the accounting in upcoming videos. So till that time, bye. See you in the next video.